Hello you guys, it's me, Apple Business, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make your very own template for your YouTube channel. This is free, nothing to be paid or anything like that. We're going to go to a website called pixlr.com. It will take you to this image. We're going to click the button that says Open Pixel Editor. Now once we clicked it, now we're going to change the width to 2560 and the height to 1440 and have it transparent on. Maximize it, and you guys can move these boxes so it won't block your point of view. So I'm going to move these so it won't block my right side of the image. I'm going to take this promotion off so I don't really need to care about it. Now, and the part is we're going to look for an image for our background, but before that we're going to need to have a YouTube template. So we're going to go to type YouTube template. Now once you found that looks like this is the one that you need to have. That's 2560 and 1440. Now you download it, save it image as. Now go back to Pixel Editor, go to layer section, open image as layer, and look for the one that says YouTube template, or just look for the image that looks like the one that we just saved as. Now we're gonna make a new layer. Click this paper looking image, click it, and then it will take you to a new layer. Now we're gonna go to the drawing tool, have it the color black and rectangle. Put a rectangle in front of the image, give us a good point of view how it will looks like when you finish your banner. So once you add these rectangles, we're gonna go to the type tool and click anywhere that's inside the box or the rectangle. Once you type the subject that you guys want to have for your banner, you guys realize that there's not really that great fonts. To be helpful and find the right font you guys want to find, we're going to be going to the website called .font.com, which has a ton of lots of cool fonts. And if you're looking for the right one, you gotta go deep inside to this website or search it on YouTube, because there's a lot of videos that say it's the best fonts. But I find out what I want, you just download it and then you install it to your font. But before you make your banner, I should have said this at the beginning of the video, you won't be able to see the font if you install it now while you're making your banner. Somehow it doesn't work. So before you make a banner, download the font before you make a banner. Now type the subject you guys gonna want to call it, like your YouTube channel or anything like that, which is my YouTube channel, which is Apple and Bananas. Find the font that you downloaded, which is mine is Never Ending free version, which is a really cool font that I like a lot. And if it's too small, you can change the size, like too big or small. Now you can have it at any kind of color. Now once I find the right color, we're gonna add a little detail to it. So we're gonna go to the Apple Bananas right here. We're gonna right click it and layer styles. We're gonna put a check mark to outer globe and add the size to 23 and the hardness to 10 and make the color black. Now once you made your YouTube channel's name, put your Instagram name down below, Instagram PNG, which PNG means by nothing in the background, no nothing. So once you find the Instagram logo that you're looking for, which I'm looking for the one right now, you see these blocks around here. That's like the PNG. Now you save it or download it to your computer. Now go to the layer section, open image as layer, and find the Instagram logo or Twitter logo or Twitch logo or any kind of. Now once inserted your Instagram logo, we're gonna free transform it because it's too big and it's taking up the space. Now once you made it really small, we're gonna go to layers style, inner globe, make the hardness to 100, size to 100, and color to black. Type your name. Now once you made your media's name, my banner looks terrible because I'm not really trying to make my banner because I already have my own, which you guys can check out how I made mine. Now the next part, we're gonna add the background. We're gonna go to the search engine and type any color background you guys want, which I'm gonna search up space 4K. Look for the right one. Oh, this one looks great. I'm gonna add this to my background. If you find your image for your background, same thing, go to Pixlr layer section, open image as layer, and find the right one. Mine's big. Every image that you find has a different size. We'll go to the edit option, free transform it, and make it the right size. Now once you free transform it, we're gonna go to layers and drag this below YouTube channel's name above layer 1. Now the next part, we're gonna add a new layer. We're gonna add a little add a little detail to this banner, we go to the drawing tool again, make some black rectangles to each edge. Now once you add these rectangles to the edges, we're gonna go to filter, collision blur, and maximize it, and then add like a cool fade to your banner. You guys can add more things to this. We're gonna do adjustment, hue, and saturation. If you mess with the saturation, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, it like turns it really cool. These are just like making it brighter, darkness. If you guys want colorize, it just keeps one color, which doesn't look cool. Hue is just different colors. Go to file, save, and make the quality 100 and save it and put it to your YouTube channel banner. I hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.